So for the past 3 days, we've been doing a training for the TechQuest program. So basically what has been happening, we've been introducing the teachers to the programming, and more specifically to the making of the robotic systems. We were challenging them on how to come up with projects on this of the same, but then the main cause for this training was just to disseminate knowledge to the teachers so that they can be able to do the same to their learners. As per the curriculum, there's a requirement for the learners to gain these basic skills of coding and robotics at a younger age, so that when they transition to the senior schools, because now CSL becomes a new thing for them, they can implement fully functional projects by using the coding knowledge. So basically for the tech program, it goes for 1 year to the school. Training is done in 2 levels. The first level, you get to introduce to the programming concepts and then the robotics concepts also, and we get to learn to the how we get to connect the physical phenomenon, collection of data from our physical environment, and how we interpret that on the Arduino board so that we can come up with the solutions.
CBC in itself has more practical based computer skills. So that means that it's no longer about reading through, memorizing what is a CPU, what do we program, what is the context. So the teachers are actually required to train the students on the actual programs, from low level skills like virtual based kind of programming, which is basically moving blocks around, to text based, which basically is what we use to create websites, build all sorts of things. So because the current curriculum has that, TechQuest has the exact thing they need. We also introduce electronics, and we introduce clubs in these schools, and we make sure that there is a community-based project that they do at the end of the whole workshop or at the end of the whole program, that allows the teacher to basically think through from the basics to a full-blown project.
There are so many skills I've learned as far as the technology is concerned. That is matters to do with the simulation. When it comes to calculations, that is doing mathematics practically, which through that will create the learners' zeal to learn and to know more.
Most programs will focus on the students, the brightest, the most easiest to adopt new coding. But in this program, we focus on the teacher, making sure the teacher understands how to help each and every student, not just one, not just the special ones who have resources, but everyone. So if you want to help your learners to understand computers, coding, robotics, or even generally how to critically think into various problems in the program.